Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today let's discuss how to put AliExpress items on Shopify. So to do that, you should connect those two platforms. And to connect those two platforms, you need to install application for that. And the most popular one is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So first of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and install Deezers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you would like to sell. And with Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live, so you can change the title, change pricing, edit the description, or even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to your Shopify store, and it instantly appears as a part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer shipping address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.